Welcome to the Healthy Pantry, your daily dose of nutritional knowledge and wellness inspiration. We are delighted to have you here. In today's video, we're diving deep into the magnificent world of honey, nature's sweet elixir, cherished for centuries across cultures. Beyond its delightful flavor, honey is a treasure trove of health benefits that have captivated generations. But have you ever wondered what honey can truly do for your body? Join us on a journey into the hive as we explore the incredible health benefits that make honey more than just a sweet treat. From its antioxidant-rich profile to its healing touch on wounds, honey is a natural wonder that extends far beyond the breakfast table. So grab a spoon and let's delve into the golden world of honey, a journey where sweetness meets health, and each drop tells a tale of well-being. First and foremost, honey has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for wound healing and has gained recognition for its potential antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. It has natural antibacterial properties due to the presence of hydrogen peroxide and other compounds. These properties can help prevent infection in wounds. The anti-inflammatory properties of honey can help reduce swelling and pain associated with wounds. This is particularly beneficial in the early stages of the healing process. Honey supports the regeneration of tissues by providing a conducive environment for cell growth. It can stimulate the formation of new blood vessels and epithelial cells. It has the ability to remove dead tissue and debris from wounds, a process known as debridement. This helps in creating a clean and optimal environment for healing. Honey's high sugar content creates an osmotic effect, drawing moisture from the wound. This helps in reducing edema and promoting a more favorable environment for healing. Some studies suggest that honey may contribute to minimizing scarring during the healing process. The anti-inflammatory and cell-regenerating properties may play a role in this aspect. It's important to note that not all types of honey offer the same level of benefits for wound healing. Manuka honey, derived from the nectar of the manuka tree in New Zealand, is particularly renowned for its potent antibacterial properties and is commonly used in medical-grade honey products. Did you know? Honey has been recognized as a natural and effective cough suppressant for centuries. The thick and sticky consistency of honey provides a soothing coating for the throat, helping to relieve irritation and discomfort associated with coughing. Honey contains natural anti-inflammatory compounds that can help reduce inflammation in the throat. This can be particularly beneficial for coughs caused by irritation or inflammation. It has inherent antibacterial properties, including the production of hydrogen peroxide. This can help combat bacterial infections in the respiratory tract that may contribute to coughing. Honey has been found to have mucolytic effects, meaning it can help break down and thin mucus. This can make it easier to expel phlegm and reduce coughing. The antioxidants in honey may contribute to overall respiratory health and help the body fight off infections that could be causing the cough. Honey provides a natural alternative to over-the-counter cough syrups, which may contain artificial ingredients. It is a simple and wholesome remedy that has stood the test of time. What's more, honey can stimulate the production of serotonin in the brain, which is later converted into melatonin. Melatonin is a hormone that regulates the sleep-wake cycle, and an increase in its levels can promote better sleep. Consuming honey before bedtime may help stabilize blood sugar levels during the night. The gradual release of glucose can prevent a dip in blood sugar, which might otherwise trigger a release of stress hormones that could disturb sleep. Honey has been associated with improved insulin sensitivity, and maintaining stable insulin levels is crucial for regulating blood sugar. Stable blood sugar levels throughout the night can contribute to uninterrupted sleep. Honey's natural sugars, mainly fructose and glucose, can help replenish liver glycogen stores during the night. This provides a sustained energy source to the brain and prevents disruptions in sleep due to low energy. The natural sugars can have a calming effect, possibly due to their association with increased serotonin levels. This can help create a sense of relaxation, making it easier to fall asleep. Additionally, honey contains oligosaccharides, a type of carbohydrate that serves as a prebiotic. Prebiotics support the growth and activity of beneficial bacteria in the gut, promoting a healthy balance of the microbiome. Honey has demonstrated anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce inflammation in the digestive system. This may be particularly relevant for individuals with conditions like inflammatory bowel disease or gastritis. Honey is easily digestible, and can be a gentle remedy for digestive discomfort. It may help alleviate symptoms like indigestion or bloating. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. But wait, there is more. The simple sugars in honey are easily and rapidly absorbed into the bloodstream, providing a quick energy source. This makes honey an ideal option for a rapid energy boost, especially before or after physical activities. Honey contains glucose, which is quickly absorbed and used by the body for energy. It can also help replenish glycogen stores in the liver, which are essential for maintaining blood sugar levels and providing a sustained energy supply. Honey contains small amounts of essential minerals, including potassium and sodium, which are important for maintaining electrolyte balance. This can be beneficial for individuals engaging in strenuous physical activities and sweating. Consuming honey before exercise can provide a quick source of energy and help sustain energy levels throughout the workout. It also helps prevent a rapid drop in blood sugar, which can lead to fatigue. What's more, some people believe that consuming local honey may help alleviate seasonal allergies. While more research is needed, the theory is that exposure to small amounts of local pollen in honey may desensitize the immune system. But the benefits don't stop there. Honey is a natural humectant, meaning it attracts and retains moisture. Applying honey to the skin helps hydrate and lock in moisture, making it an excellent ingredient for dry or dehydrated skin. Honey has natural antibacterial and antimicrobial properties, which can help cleanse the skin and prevent bacterial growth. This makes it beneficial for treating minor skin irritations, acne, and promoting overall skin health. As we mentioned before, the antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties of honey support wound healing. Applying honey to minor cuts, burns, or abrasions may aid in faster recovery and minimize scarring. Honey contains natural enzymes that can gently exfoliate the skin, removing dead skin cells and promoting a smoother complexion. This can contribute to a more radiant and youthful appearance. The antibacterial properties of honey can be beneficial for individuals with acne-prone skin. Applying honey to blemishes may help reduce inflammation and promote clearer skin. Honey's soothing and moisturizing properties can provide relief for sunburned skin. Applying a honey mask or a honey-infused moisturizer can help soothe the discomfort associated with sunburn. Regular use of honey on the skin may contribute to a brighter complexion and a natural glow. The antioxidants in honey help protect the skin from environmental damage. It's important to use raw, unprocessed honey for skincare to ensure the preservation of its natural properties. To use honey for skincare, simply mix honey with other natural ingredients like yogurt, avocado, or oats to create a nourishing and hydrating facial mask, or apply a small amount of honey directly to blemishes or irritated areas for targeted treatment. Lastly, honey may offer several potential benefits for heart health, contributing to overall cardiovascular well-being. Some studies suggest that honey may help improve cholesterol levels by reducing LDL cholesterol. Additionally, honey may raise HDL cholesterol, known as good cholesterol. Honey may have a modest impact on blood pressure regulation. Certain antioxidants in honey, combined with its anti-inflammatory effects, may contribute to maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. Chronic inflammation is a risk factor for heart disease. Honey's anti-inflammatory properties may help reduce inflammation in blood vessels and the cardiovascular system. Honey may promote vasodilation, the widening of blood vessels, which can improve blood flow. Enhanced blood flow is beneficial for heart health and can reduce the workload on the heart. Atherosclerosis is the hardening and narrowing of arteries, a common factor in heart disease. Honey's antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties may contribute to preventing the development of atherosclerosis. Some research suggests that honey may have anti-arrhythmic effects, helping to regulate heart rhythm. However, more studies are needed to fully understand this potential benefit. There you have it, folks, the sweet symphony of health benefits that honey brings to your life. As you savor the sweetness of each spoonful, remember that nature's remedy is often found in the simplest of places. So let honey be your companion on the journey to a healthier, happier you. Stay sweet, stay healthy, and we'll see you tomorrow in the next video. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information shared valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.